What's going on YouTube? Thank y'all for tuning in to Model Car 1589, and it's me, Leon. And if y'all like building model cars that just like watching model car building channels, then thank you. It's Model Car 1589, and every model that I build, I gotta make it shine. 1589. It's Model Car 1589, and every model that I build, the color gotta be tied 1589. And make sure y'all go to mcvproducts.net and purchase y'all some 3D printed parts, bring your model cars to life. And also go to Amazon/Master Builder, get yourself a Master Builder today. And always remember, y'all, stay mild. And don't forget to check out scaleriders.com. What's going on YouTube? Thank y'all for tuning in to Model Car 1589. It's me, Leon, and as y'all can see, I got that twin turbocharger 572 big block, y'all. Brought to y'all by mcvproducts.net. As y'all can see, I got it all painted up. I haven't got it assembled yet. I had to make sure everything is going nice with it, y'all. As y'all can see, I got the body sitting out there. I still got to put my clear coat on top of the body, y'all. So, because I'm in cahoots, not in cahoots, but I'm still thinking about, should I add some more patterns to it, or should I just leave it like that and just put that clear coat on top of it and let it go, you know what I mean? But this ain't even about the body right now. This is about the engine, y'all. Right now I got it painted up. I got a minor little detail. I still got to do some detail touches on the chrome, do some weathering and stuff like that, but I'm ready to assemble this baby, and at the same time, I need y'all to witness it for me, alright? So, y'all stick with me. Let's get to assembling this engine, and let's get this show on the road. As y'all see, I done went on Google and did some research, making sure I got everything painted right, got everything fitting right, got all my wires and everything plugged up right. So, you know what I mean? Okay, now y'all, as y'all can see, hold on. Okay, YouTube, as y'all can see, I had to bring out my mini drill bit, brought to y'all by MCV Products. Make sure y'all go check that out. Cop y'all the mini drill bit, y'all, because this is very necessary. I wouldn't be able to do this job without them drill bits, y'all. So let me get into it, and we can keep going. But yeah. Also, go to MCV Products and purchase y'all some 3D printed parts today. Bring your model cars to life. And also, go to Amazon/Master Builder and get yourself a Master Builder today. Thank you.